this is a nice summary of the, I hope you can see it. It's right out of your book. It's table 3.6, right out of your book. And this is a nice summary of global warming versus stratospheric ozone depletion, okay? And so you can see where things are going on. The region of the atmosphere involved for global warming is mostly the troposphere because the pressure is higher. There's more gases in the troposphere. And obviously the stratospheric ozone depletion is going on in the stratosphere. The major substances involved, these are the major greenhouse gases. We didn't talk much about water. We did show its IR spectrum, but we didn't talk a lot about how to control it because it's so fast in and out of the atmosphere. It's very, very difficult to model what's going on with the water. Okay, and then the gases we talked about in the ozone depletion was the ozone and the oxygen. Remember the Chapman cycle, and then the CFCs, which disrupt the Chapman cycle. And then the type of radiation that it interacts with, this is infrared radiation for global warming. It's UV radiation for the ozone depletion. And then the nature of the problem, this is the increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases, and this is decreasing concentration of ozone. The major source, burning of fossil fuels, methane from agriculture, and then water, it's just natural sources. And the cause here was this long-lived CFCs in the atmosphere. And so credible consequences, could be the climate and agricultural productivity could be affected, increased sea levels, effects on health, and here increased incidence of skin cancer and damage to the phytoplankton. And possible remedies, it could decrease the use of fossil fuels here, slow the rate of deforestation, change our agricultural practices to collect some of that methane gas that's just let off by all the agricultural decay of the plant material and from ruminant animals. And then here, eliminate the use of CFCs, which is underway. And the international responses, we had the Kyoto Protocol in 97, here the Montreal Protocol in 87, and the U.S. response, they didn't ratify it, and here they did sign on to it, full participation. So this is a much cleaner, neater problem. Very clear what happened, the CFCs, there was replacements, everybody's working towards limiting them. This is a much bigger factor in the economy to change how we use fossil fuels. So I just want to point that out. It's a nice summary to get it straight in your head because these are big, big issues that you should be aware of.